had 10.5 inches of snow yesterday.
And here in North Carolina, it was Raleigh, right, that took the top spot?
Yeah, they've got high totals as well, 4, 5, 6 inches in and around the Raleigh area. Take a look at Elon campus now with grass that you can see. It was covered with snow out there again early this morning. Our weather timeline, most of the snow is melting away. Watch for black ice, especially in the easternmost areas where you had a little more snow. The wind did help to dry out many of the streets, but always be careful out there. Very cold wind chills in our forecast tonight. And then tomorrow we've got some sunshine back in the forecast. It's actually going to warm up too as we head into the weekend. And I think you're going to love the 7-day forecast. We have west and northwest winds right now. Yeah, we don't love that at about 10 miles an hour, and that makes our temperatures, which are already cold enough, folks, they're in the low 20s, feel even colder. So we do have some wind chill values that are down in the single digits and low teens right now, just depending on the strength of the wind. As we shift our attention to the mountains, the winds are stronger. Northwest at 19 in Sparta. Temperature is 14 degrees, and it feels a lot colder than that with a wind chill value at 3 below right now. Wind chill in Stewart is at 9. And of course, it is our mountain communities that we talked about at the top of the newscast that do have a cold weather advisory out, and that is for wind chill values that will be down below 0. So dangerous if you're out there for a prolonged amount of time. Make sure you're covering your hands as well as your face. Not the only ones with the cold weather advisories. You see them all the way down along the Gulf Coast states, where right now wind chill value in New Orleans is at 31, Dallas at 16. Now our forecast for tomorrow does have us above freezing thanks to the sun. We'll get up to about 42 tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow morning, though, those temperatures very cold, starting us in the teens. Foothills also starting in the teens in the morning, and then getting up to about 41 by tomorrow afternoon. Windy day in the mountains, but lots of sunshine for your Friday. And yes, I do think you'll reach pretty close to freezing. Our forecast heading into the weekend for the mountains, the foothills, and the Piedmont Triad. We have no rain and no snow in the forecast. Of course, they are making snow. Take a look. This is one of our resort cams at Beech Mountain. Yeah, flying the snow all over the place. And Beech Mountain, of course, open 16 slopes that are running. Appalachian as well as Sugar Mountain. And for the season, Beech Mountain is getting real close to 60 inches of snowfall so far this season, 30 inches at Appalachian. And we did a little bit of research in the weather department, Dave and I. So we're looking at snowfall so far this winter. You were talking about Norfolk. For December, January, and February, more than 16 inches of snow. In fact, almost 17. And that is more than Boone has had so far this season. Asheville with even less at under 2 inches. And Raleigh, like Christine was saying, has had more snow this season than the Triad. And the Triad even is getting beat or pretty close to Morehead City. So down along the coast at just under 5 inches of snow for the season. It's been very unusual. Something else that's unusual today, we had 1.5 inches of snow. Very quick. When you look at the moisture content of today's snow compared to yesterday, if it was liquid, it was 0.02 inches of rain or water. So that is greater than a 25-to-1 ratio, which is almost unheard of where we live. We typically get a real sloppy, wet snow. It's closer to about 7 or 8 to 1. Yesterday's snow was about 10 to 1. We had 5/100ths of an inch of water now that we had to somehow calculate into how much snow was actually going to fall on the grass out there where you are. So yeah, we got that quick, very fluffy, very powdery snow out there this morning, and actually got to watch sublimation in process, right? You went out there on my back deck, saw the snowflakes, and poof, they just right into thin air. Just went away, right? You can see the temperatures, they are going to go up. This is something you want to look at, Christine. Temps are in the 60s by Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, so looking a lot better.